Tell us more about it, Mark.
Yeah, Rick, Vicky, LMPD Chief Jacqueline Gwen Villarreal was testifying Monday in a civil lawsuit related to a crash that happened 2.5 years ago. 2 men who were injured and the family of 1 man who died sued LMPD, blaming the police chase for the crash.
I was shocked.
That's the reaction from defense attorney Thomas Clay to the testimony from LMPD Chief Jacqueline Gwen Villarreal.
Police officers' credibility is one of the most important qualities they have. And if that credibility is compromised, it's difficult to get it back.
Metro Councilwoman Donna Purvis is not so sure.
You know, I know there are times that we may not realize or we may not remember. And I don't know if she was intentional. I hope not. And I'm just thinking maybe it was just an honest mistake.
It all began in a civil trial brought by the estate of Trayvon Mitchell, who died after this 2021 collision on West Broadway near Dr. W.J. Hodge Street. 2 other men injured also sued. The civil lawsuit accuses an LMPD officer of violating the department's policy by pursuing a driver after a traffic stop, leading to the crash. At the time, Erica Shields was the police chief. Gwen Villarreal, then Shields' top deputy, responded to the scene. Called to the witness stand on Monday, she testified she was not wearing her body camera at the time.
If you would have had it on you obviously would have turned it on, right? Because you were out there, you were interacting with the public, right?
I would have activated it if I had it on.
That's your story, you're sticking to it.
That's my statement.
The attorney then produces footage from another body camera. You can't see the whole image here, but it shows her wearing a body camera.
Where's the footage, Chief? Did you delete it?
I didn't delete anything.
How's the jury supposed to believe that if you said all along you didn't even have it with you? How are we as a community supposed to believe that?
Chief Gwen Villarreal declined a request for an interview, but issued a statement. It read in part, "The testimony I gave was to the best of my recollection of the events that occurred on July 6, 2021. I did not recall wearing a body-worn camera that day." Mayor Craig Greenberg's office also declined an interview request, but issued a statement saying the chief misspoke in response to a gotcha question from a lawyer trying to inflame the jury and drive up their own payday. Now, the trial is expected to continue next week after the holiday weekend. Meanwhile, Larry Williams, the driver who fled from police, was convicted of manslaughter and fleeing police this summer. Mark Vanderoff, WLKY News.